If the latest version of the Redis agent package installed on the FMS has not been deployed to the Fglam that will be used to host the agent, this must be done before creating an agent. You can use the Deploy Agent Package button on the Agent Status or Agent Managers page to perform this action. Click on Deploy Agent Package. Select the Fglam to host the agents and click Next. Select the Redis Agent checkbox and click Next. Click the Finish button. Once the cartridge has been deployed to the Fglam, as confirmed by the task area at the bottom of the page, click the Create Agent button and follow the instructions for the cards. Choose the agent manager on which the agent should run. Then click Next. Select the Specify Name radio button and select the Redis agent type. Then provide a name for the agent that will be created. This is not canonical and should be representative of the database instance that this agent will monitor. Then click Next. Click Finish. Once the agent has been created, click the checkbox next to the Redis agent. Click the Edit Properties button. Select Properties for this agent only. Edit the agent properties for the Redis agent instance. Refer to Knowledge Base article 4369538 for details on these settings. Click the Activate button. Once the agent begins reporting in, it should be visible in the Redis Environments page in the navigation.